Hello everyone, today in this video we're gonna discuss about Bohr atomic model. As last time we have discussed about Rutherford atomic model and failure of Rutherford. So Bohr basically he contributed to the failure of Rutherford, means he corrected the failure of Rutherford. The biggest failure of Rutherford was the biggest failure. Let me write here. The biggest failure of Rutherford was, like he said, any accelerate. He said that when charge only revolve in a circular path. He said electron revolve in circular path. Okay, this was a statement which was given by Rutherford. But Bohr did the correction of this equation, like how he said that atom is present. Atom is central, called as nucleus. Atom was like center in which proton and neutron were present. That was named as nucleus. Atom has center named as न्यूक्लियस. ओके, एटम के बाद एक सेंटर है जिसका नाम क्या है, न्यूक्लियस है. Fine. After that, he told that electron revolve only in the fixed circular orbit. However, Bohr said that electron revolve only in the circular orbit. Rutherford said electron revolve in the circular orbit. However, Bohr said that electron revolve in the fixed circular motion. In fixed circular motion with fixed energy and fixed velocity. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व करते हैं फिक्स्ड सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट के अंदर, सो दैट हैज फिक्स्ड सर्कुलर एनर्जी एंड फिक्स्ड सर्कुलर वेलोसिटी. फिक्स्ड एनर्जी एंड फिक्स्ड वेलोसिटी. Okay, so this was basically told by Bohr atomic model. After that, the one most important thing he told about, he said that quantization condition. He told about quantization condition. Quantization condition. Now, what actually quantization condition is? This simply means anything which is available in the fixed amount. Anything which is available in the fixed amount. Available in fixed amount. ओके, कोई ऐसी चीज जो कि फिक्स्ड अमाउंट में अवेलेबल हो. So he said in this condition, he said electron revolve only in those circular orbit for which the angular momentum is integral multiple of h2 pi. Like he said that the statement was given by this condition, that was electron revolve only in those circular orbits for which जिसके लिए for which the angular momentum is integral multiple of h2 pi. Now what actually here the integral multiple is? So basically this is basically he said that अगर कोई इलेक्ट्रॉन एक शेल के अराउंड रिवॉल्व कर रहा है तो उसकी एंगुलर मोमेंटम क्या होगी, इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल होगी. फॉर सपोज इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल लाइक दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन रिवॉल्व हुज एंगुलर मोमेंटम, जिसकी क्या होगी, एंगुलर मोमेंटम क्या होगी, h/2 पाई. ओके, अब यहाँ पर h/2 पाई इज द इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल. मतलब अगर ये शेल है, इफ हेयर वी हैव पॉजिटिव न्यूक्लियस, ये शेल है, आफ्टर दैट हेयर वी हैव अनदर शेल. इफ अगर अगर हमारे इस इलेक्ट्रॉन में क्या है, एंगुलर मोमेंटम h2 पाई है, तो ये मीन्स कि इसका ये तो इसमें भी इस इलेक्ट्रॉन में क्या होगी, h/2 पाई ही होगी। इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल है, अगर इस शेल में ये है तो दूसरे शेल में भी यही होगी। ओके, सो एज वी नो दैट एंगुलर मोमेंटम, अभी एंगुलर मोमेंटम डिनोट किससे होती है, L से। सो L इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ मोल्स h/2 पाई। दिस वाज द फॉर्मूला through which mostly we identify about the angular momentum, or this is the integral multiple of h2 pi. Okay, so angular momentum is basically what is a vector quantity. Angular momentum is what, vector quantity denoted by L, which is denoted by L, and L is equal to R and into P, R into P, where R shows the movement, किसी भी चीज की movement, while P shows here the momentum. Momentum is product of mass and velocity. Okay, so here they said that L is equal to R mv sine theta. As we know, this is the vector quantity sine theta. After that, mvr sine theta, which is equal to what, 0. So that is mvr is equal to L. L is equal to angular momentum is equal to mvr. So on this equation, this was I named as first equation. Okay, so here I'm gonna write on first equation, putting value of L. L की value put कर रहे हैं. What was first equation? L is equal to nh2 pi. If the value of h means angular momentum is mvr. So mvr is equal to nh over 2 pi. Okay, over 2 pi. So this was basically the angular momentum integral multiple of h2 pi. Okay, remember this equation. After that, here another point was said that while revolving the electron, electron is revolving, the electrostatic force between electron and nucleus provides centripetal force. Means while revolving, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करता है, रिवॉल्व करता है, there is electrostatic force which is present between what, between electron and nucleus, and which provide the centripetal force, provide centripetal force. Okay, which provide centripetal force. Now how, like here, for suppose this is the electron, positive charge, another shell. So in this here, the electron is revolving, so the movement out, inward movement is known as centripetal force is present, centripetal force. While here we know that in the nucleus what is present, proton is present. Proton and proton has what, atomic number is also known as proton number, so we can say atomic number. And what is present, positive electron, एक पॉजिटिव इलेक्ट्रॉन पड़ा हुआ है, एटॉमिक नंबर Ze, so it is represented by Ze, means न्यूक्लियर के ऊपर ये चार्ज है Ze, nuclear charge. How we determine the charge of nucleus is Ze, because you know here in the nucleus we have only proton right now, and proton is known as atomic number, also known as proton number, so that is Z. And then proton का भी क्या है, इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना, इलेक्ट्रॉन with a positive charge, so that is Ze. Okay, so now here they said that electrostatic force is equal to सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स किसके बराबर है, सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स के बराबर है, बिकॉज व्हेन वी पुट द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स द सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स इज आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड. ठीक है, अब फॉर सपोज हियर दे टुक द टू चार्जेस लाइक q1 and q2 which were placed in the distance of r square. So as we know that the force of electrostatic force is equal to what, 1/4 pi epsilon q1 q2 over r का square, like this. And we know that centripetal force is what, Fc is equal to mv square over r. हमें पता है centripetal force क्या है, F mv square of mv square over r. So now here, as I given this, electrostatic force is equal to centripetal force. So let's put the values, like 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q1 q2 over r square is equal to centripetal force mv square over r. Now we're gonna cut these values which are being cutted, or you may see this is the equation number 3. Not, let me write here again. So yeah, here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon, and I give the charge 1 name was number of electron is equal to z. Okay, e charge 1, charge 2, and this charges are present by z over r square is equal to mv square upon r. Fine. So this was the third one, and fourth one, the point which they said, that is, while revolving in the particular orbit an electron neither gain energy and lose energy. जब इलेक्ट्रॉन अपनी पर्टिकुलर उसके अंदर रिवॉल्व करता है, while revolving the electron will neither, कभी भी नहीं, will neither lose the energy or gain the energy, ना ही lose करेगा और ना ही gain करेगा. Okay, means an electron of an orbit or shell क्या है, fixed orbit के अंदर रहता है. So through this they named as that there is the stationary energy level, which is fixed stationary stationary energy level. Okay, so for suppose that was n1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, 4, 5. So k, l, m, n, o, these are the shells. So they have the fixed energy level. Okay, so this was some points of Bohr atomic model. Now Bohr did a lot of calculations too, like radius calculation, velocity, energy, total energy, wavelength, that we're gonna discuss in the later video. Hopefully you get something new from this video, so share with your friend, family. Bye bye.